Welcome to the BAS, Miami Beach's Contemporary Art Museum, where the beach meets contemporary art. Join us as we explore the BAS's permanent collection by international artists who use their art to draw attention to some of the environmental challenges of today. The BAS Museum of Art opened in 1964 in what was formerly the Miami Beach Public Library and Art Center. The 1930s Art Deco building was designed by Russell Pancoast, grandson of Miami Beach pioneer John Collins. The building itself already had a rich history on Miami Beach as the first public exhibition space for art in South Florida. As you walk into the BAS, take in this work, Eternity Now by Swiss artist Sylvie Fleury, a very prominent work in many contexts, particularly within a city that is facing the realities of preserving itself. This work warns us that we must act now to preserve eternity.
The way I work with my neons, as for other text work, is by using ready-mades. I don't create anything, I don't invent. I take words that I see that are around and I bring them into a different context. I like to think of them as some kind of mantras, things that will, stick with you in your head and that you will, at some point, spring new meanings. What I like about the text that I chose is that, to me, it deeply contradicts itself because, of course, eternity being eternal and now being now.
In context of Miami Beach and the realities of climate change, Swiss artist Sylvie Fleury explores ephemerality in Eternity Now from 2015. The site-specific neon is installed on the Art Deco facade of the BAS, facing Collins Park and the ocean.